Solving linear inequalities. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are inequalities? How do they differ from equations? 2. What are the symbols used to express the relationships between quantities in inequalities? 3. What does solving an inequality mean? When is an inequality considered solved? 4. Can we obtain a definite number of values when solving an inequality? Why? 5. What are double inequalities? How do we express them as single inequalities? 6. How do we use math symbols to express the solution set of an inequality? 7. What kind of transformations are allowed in inequalities? 8. What are intervals and segments? Why are they important in inequalities? 9. How do we solve linear inequalities in two variables? 10. How do we check whether a number pair is a solution for a linear inequality in two variables or not? Introduction. How do you express the fact that two quantities A and B are not equal? If A has more items than B, how do you express this fact in symbols? Imagine you have to score at least 80 points in an exam. How do you express this fact in math symbols? So far we have discussed linear and quadratic equations solved through definite methods as well as other types of equations solved through iterative methods. In all cases, the objective was to find the values of variables that make the equation true, i.e. that make the left side equal to the right side. In this chapter, we will discuss situations where the left side is not equal to the right one. Such mathematical sentences are known as inequalities. This guide in particular focuses on linear inequalities, as they are the simplest type of inequalities. We will explain how to solve linear equalities using different approaches. All situations discussed in this guide are illustrated with examples, as always. That is all for introduction to solving linear inequalities. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 10.1.1, What are inequalities? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.